lipstick marks along my coffee cups. Oh yeah, ooh lady, I got a fist of your emotion. I've got a handshot of dreams. Gotta leave it on me. I know. You know what, ladies? And whatever I said, I didn't mean it. I just want you back for good. You back? I want you back. I want you back for good.
Yo, Chef Young better than everything we're bad, and we madder than everything we're mad. Next setups represent for Chef Young. Straight, you know the badness. Boom. You know.
I mean, I said them all can represent for Chef Young. If you now watch Chef Young thing, you now watch nothing hear that. Them all can say that. Oh no.
Yeah, this is the Usual Messenger giving a big shout out to Chef Young Media, keeping the people educated and entertained with music and visual messengers. Alright. Chef Young, we born poor but we not dead poor. They are Toronto with 3 bad. Me say me there. Whoa. You know the style me there. I'm drunk right now. Chef Young, big up yourself, you know.
Yo, Chef Young, you know about this going on, man. The maddest and the sickest, you know. London.
Let God continue to bless you. As we start here tonight, we celebrate the mighty God that we served. We celebrate him because he celebrates us. We lift him up because he lifts us up. It's a trade. So I say happy Mother's Day. For the people who take care of people, we say again, love from the heart. Exercise it every day. It makes the world feels better. I greet you in the mighty name of the Most High. So let's go! It's for the ladies, man. This is when I first started 19 years old. Come on. My heart is filled with so much love, and I need someone I can call my own to fall in love. That's what everyone's dreaming of. I've all this feeling all so strong. Life is too short to live alone without someone to call my own. I will care for you and you will care for me. Our love, sing with me, will live forever. Shout. That's what God like. Shout. That's what the Almighty like. What he said? Shower me with your love. Shower me with your love. I've been waiting for. Baby, I close my eyes and pray all my wishes came true. Every night I go to sleep and tell your mind I'll wait for you endlessly. Come on, no ladies. Can't you see fairy tales they do? Sometimes comes if you believe it, it will happen to you. It's like a stars that shine way up in the sky. Our love is not in vain. We love. What we do again? Shout. Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Shout. Shout. And that's what we are here to do right now. Give thanks. I'm taking all of you to my choir tomorrow. Come, let's go. Singing about my ladies, my beautiful. Come on. first thing early Monday morning, I'm gonna pack my tears away. Now we got no cause to look back, 'cause we'll be looking for a better day. We're looking for a better day and nothing. Get a bit. You see the thing about love, I said it's not enough, and it's the only thing gonna bring you this pain, darling. Comes a time when we should all make a change, darling. So let go, let it flow, let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. You better let it go, let it go, let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. You better let it flow, my baby. Hush. This is not a show. It is truth and it is soul. We're going for soul these days. I don't care about being an artist anymore. Keep the bass line. I care about going for people's soul, because people are lose them soul. People are get disconnected from them soul. You can imagine you have your own soul and losing it. Don't nobody want no broke heart. Don't nobody want no two-time loser. Ladies, I know you ain't no loser. I know you ain't no loser. Don't nobody love you like you are, till it takes whatever it brings away. We're singing for the ladies, the beautiful ladies. You see the thing of it, you deserve respect, but you can't demand respect without change, darling. 'Cause there's a time when we should go around well, but we let go. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. You better let it flow, my baby. Hush. We have another problem. The problem is crime and violence against humanity. We don't care about entertainment anymore. We care about reaching people's heart, changing the dirty ways. 'Cause I know the time will come when I leave a man got to run. Why did you shoot your brother down and leave him lying on the ground? Put on your weapon of destruction. I sing, put on your weapon of destruction. Give me the mix, give me the mix. And tell me I want the man that never want listen. Can't this the man who get the blessing? And tell me I want the man that never want hear. This big man you listen, Babylon you get sweat. Can't treat me no more with no more to head. Hush. A set of people who don't believe in themselves. If you believe in yourself, put one under the ear, so. 1, 2, 3. I see some doubters. It's always like that in life. You always have the doubters them. All right, the ones that put up them and put it down now. This is not for you. This is for the people who don't believe in themselves. I used to think that I could not. I found a song, let me know. But life was nothing but enough. But now I know the meaning of. Then if you know love, I'm leaning on the everlasting ground. If I could see, then I can. But if I just believe, Then people let me see. On the radio again. I believe I can fly. I believe I think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and what we got? What we got? Now I'm standing up for my ladies right now. I'm standing up with my ladies right now. But I'm also defending my brethren them in the house. If on the day I say, yo, yo, yo. No, I'm not say the ladies. Keep it quiet, ladies. You know you got the voice. You're the most powerful thing ever created on this planet. Let me hear where the man them I say no. All of the real man them in the house where I do the job. Say, yo, 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 yo. You swear me I talk about balance. Ready? Hold on. Wanna show on ready? Wanna show on ready? I don't think they ready. Let me test them. I just did 4 songs. Please, have some peace. Let us have some peace with the show and give the people what they need. All right? Come on, brother. Come on, now let's stop the show. Music doesn't play like that. We have to get it right. Let's go again. We're professional people. Sorry, lady. I'm so sorry, baby. My independent ladies. Woo! Say what? Lady, oh yeah. Saying to me, did you mean to tell me he put you down for another? And what? Lady, oh yeah. So with me now, did you mean to tell me he put you down? Lady, he put you out and I take you in. I give you loving that a real man bring. So much more I have in store for you. Oh, yeah. Baby, tell me when you're feeling down. Call me up and I'll take you out. You never knew the sweetness of your love. Lady, say what? Lady, saying, and did you mean to tell me he put you? Give me this, give me the mix. Another loss is another man's gain. I'm in the position to ease her pain. I will build this dream house on me and you. Pull up. Pull up. Give me another special love song for them. You think me I leave my fans them unsatisfied? Because no start on the show late. That now work. Give me it. But when people mess up my thing, big up yourself, team in the building. Cause I guess now it's time for me to give up. I think it's time. Why the man want a woman right now? I got a picture of you beside me. I got your lipstick marks along my coffee cups. Oh yeah, ooh lady, I got a fist of your emotion. I've got a handshot of dreams. Gotta leave it on me. I know. You know what, ladies? And whatever I said, I didn't mean it. I just want you back for good. You back. Whatever I said, whatever I didn't mean it. I just want you back for good. Want you back, want you back. I want you back for good. And whenever I'm gone, you send me the song, I sing it. You'll be right on the search. Want you back.
Yo. 1, 2. Yo. Yeah. Check 1, 2. Yo. I wish the engineer would leave the mic live. Hey, make some noise for singing melody. Singing melody. Part of the group lost. All right.
Yeah, this is the General Messenger giving a big shout out to Chef Young Media, keeping the people educated and entertained with music and visual messengers. All right.
Good.
Kings of Kings promotion. Enough respect. Give thanks for the great show and the turnout and the people really supported Kings of Kings promotion. And I was just honored to be a part of this and this promotion.
Blessed love.
It's an honor. Kings of Kings
Blessed
promotion.
love. Kings of
Charles
Kings.
David, enough respect. Mr.
Kings
Charles
of
David.
Kings.
Honor. Kings of Kings.
Kings of Kings.
Cha-cha.
Bless up.
Bless.
Yeah. Messenger.